This is the Hornbill Smart Lock. It is a hefty lock, a fantastic lock. So let me walk you through the app setup. So it uses the TT Lock app. I've already got some locks set up, but this one you just turn it on. You can see that it recognizes the device when I have it on. I press a button to add it, and then you can see it pops up. You can change the name. So here I am changing the name of the lock so I can recognize it with my other locks. And then once you have everything ready to go, you can start configuring different modes for entry. So I'm setting my thumbprint here. You've got this digital key that you can use as well. That's really nice to configure. You can use the physical key. It comes with a bunch of keys, and then you can set things for a period when it just stays unlocked. This is great, like if you have a business and you have employees or customers and you want it to be locked at certain times, unlocked at other times. You can also set a key code. So here I am typing in the key code. I use this a lot, hiding it from you so you can't go into my shed, but you press the button and then boom, unlocked. Really nice. So this lock has just a lot of different features to it and a lot of different ways you can enter and things you can do. You can send electronic key codes to other people. You can set tamper alerts. So this is what I was referring to before, passage mode. So you can have certain times of the day when it's unlocked or locked. Really nice app. I've used this for many locks. All of the locks in my house now are smart locks that use this app. Really nice. The battery lasts for at least a year with 4 AA batteries. Again, that's the TT lock. Let me walk you through the installation. It comes with a manual to help you get this installed. The manual is very easy to follow, very nice. Here I am trying to put it in my door initially, but I didn't have the hole. So it comes with a drill or a drill bit that you can drill the hole that you need. And then I'm trying to put it in, and I realize I need to replace this hardware as well from my old hardware. So I just put in the new stuff. And then once I do that, I can put the lock into place. It does have a cotter pin that you'll need to install to get that secure. And then you just put the lock in the door. On the other side, you put the plate on, you mount it, then you plug in the electronics so everything works. You screw that together. Whoops, drop that. And then you've got 4 AA batteries. And again, those last for about a year. So this whole lock, it comes nicely packaged. The manual, again, is great. It has a template, it has a screwdriver, everything you need to install the lock, including this drill bit. Then has all the hardware and the digital keys, the physical keys. I received this for free. I already have this identical lock that I've been using for multiple years. I love it. It is a fantastic lock. I highly recommend it. This has made my life so much easier. When I come home from work, I just use my fingerprint to unlock the door and I'm in. Super simple, fantastic lock.